started what is meant by at 1 I just started what is meant by business studies, and now we are into the subject called what? Accounting, right? Okay. Again, let me say, if you haven't done O-level commerce, O-level accounting business studies, A-level is easy. If you haven't done O-level accounting business, if you haven't done, right? If you haven't done, this subject is going to be easy. Reason why, certain things taught in O-level is not correct, not accurate. Because some of you all might know, if you have done O-level commerce, accounting, I'm seeing accounting subject, they will say, purchase goods are coming debit. Sales goods are going credit. Then you might think, sir, if it is wrong, why did they teach like that? Your brain was ordinary. Ordinary. 9 subjects. Is it clear? But this is what, Pudha? This is advanced level. Just by doing O-level accounting, you won't be able to understand the real world accounting. A-level accounting is the base for your professional accounting. Or professional window, where do you learn proper accounting? From A-levels only. So guys, let's start accounting. Is there anyone who has watched my accounting chapter recordings, first chapter? No one. No one, right? Okay. That means no one knows. Let us start accounting, but if you had followed any accounting class, follow කරලත් කමන්නේ. සමහරට free trial class කියලා යන්න මන්නකින් යන්න අවුලන්නේ. Then only you can compare. You can compare and see, right, which is the best way to learn කියලා you will be able to understand. Come soon. Right. So if I ask like what is accounting, can anyone explain in this class? Using your O-level knowledge, no worries. Or if you had followed any A-level classes, no problem. Right? So people who join right now for accounting class without the business studies class, watch the business studies recording first 20 minutes to understand why you should select commerce as a stream for A-level. I explained them the proper reason, because most of you all would take commerce because science you don't like and maths you hate. Is it clear? That's why we would have taken commerce. But I explain why should you do commerce. Kiana, let's go straight away to the subject. What is accounting, say me guys? Some students, wait, I'll just say some answers. Accounting is the process of identifying, recording transaction, identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting financial information to stakeholders for decision making. Memorized. Yaluek kahana. What is accounting? What are you going to say? Shall you write notes? What is accounting? Yes. Double 80. No? Correct. Providing information to stakeholders for decision making. මම එහෙම නෙවෙයි ගන්නන්නේ පුතේ මම මෙහෙම කියන්නම්. Have you ever come across හොඳට අහගන්න පුතේ, have you ever come across a definition for teaching? Definition. Teaching කියන එක definition අහලා තියෙනවද? Never. Am I correct guys? Okay. You know what is teaching? Have you come across the definition known as teaching? A definition for teaching, well, the definition, no, right? Shall we define teaching? Say what is teaching. Let's define. You know what is teaching, right? Put your 100% focus on the class, right? What is teaching, say me? There is no definition. I haven't studied a definition for teaching. I am asking from you, let's define teaching. Say what is teaching? Teaching is the process where an individual is providing information or knowledge for a group of individuals in order to face an exam or in order to gain knowledge. Is it correct or no? That is teaching, right? Should I'll get an answer from boys. Define. You know what is swimming, right? You all know what is swimming? You all know what is swimming, right? Okay. Define. බලන්න පුතේ අපි ජීවිතේ දන්න දෙයක්. We know these things. We are unable to define. Why? You will only define whatever you memorize normally. You had never studied a definition. What is swimming? Say, let's define. Now you see, Mama Villa me Mahavali gange, Gatugosa bridge gavinda, Beraganda. Will you say, sir is swimming? Will you say, sir is swimming? Sir is not swimming there. So what is swimming kyan? Mokada swimming kyan? Let's create a definition. Process where an individual uses some systematical method in order to move in the water, guys. Something like that. Because there is no definition for swimming. Right. Man tawe ekak ganna. Driving. Define driving. Sir, I came to accounting class, sir. He says, I know. What is driving? Let's say, Buddha, what is driving? Process of moving a vehicle kiwa nan tallu karat driving ne. Oh ne. What is driving? Oh, hitan logical thinking means that Buddha, logically. What is the process where a person uses? It's always look, when you do something, there is some systematical method. I can make gear rehmadar. Can you all drive? Girls, can you all drive? Can drive. Right, okay. Gear hatad the hayad the Gear hatak tinada, 7 gears are there or 6 gears are there. Boy, 6 gears the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything about that? So what is meant by driving? What is driving? A systematical method of moving a vehicle by an individual. System. There is one method, guys. Okay. So I'll put the question like this. Now you thought again like another class, I would come and say write down the syllabus. Grade 12 there are 10 chapters. Grade 13 there are 6 chapters. You have 2 papers. I said my day 1 class I don't do that. Hurry straight away into the lesson. Do you know what does a teacher do? Teacher gihilla teaching. What does a driver do? Driving. What does a swimmer do? Swimming, no guys. What does an accountant do? Accounting. So, the accountant, now here some of them said, I want to be chartered accountants. So, what is it? So, you want to be an accountant means accounting. Now, look at this. Who am I right now? In that words, who am I? What am I doing right now? Teaching. So, who am I? Teacher. Teaching. Ekkene kawalu yatura gattalu wahane start karala hari yamuda kilanalu. Who is that? Driver. Driving. Now accountant comes. Look, I'm the accountant. Comes. Kokos. Is that what accountant does? And now say me practically what will the accountant do? What will the account? I know he does accounting. Is it clear? I want that. You can explain anyone what the teacher does, no? Teaching. You know what's teaching, no? Providing knowledge. Is it clear? What does accountant do? If you haven't done O-level commerce, please try to say, I want to be accountant. Hurry. You sit, hurry. Laptop open kara hari monada karanne. Let's talk. Calculating, okay. Mathematician ne videna. Calculate karana maths karne kek ne. Analyzing ek kiyanne. Aru analyzing mukadda bang analyzing kiyanne vandanne. Right, what is analyzing? I'm saying simple terms. Anyone should be able to. Babetta kila denne ehema bෑනේ. Babetta kila analyzing adu. What? Analyzing guy. No? How to say a small kid? What is accounting? Puta. Listen. What is accounting, you know, Puta? Accountant, as she said, first of all, provides what, Puta? Information. information. So what is accounting? Providing HRI. What is accounting? Providing. Oh, hemada. Then I'm going to the accountant. She's the accountant. Heta wahid danne. She says, why are you asking from me? Usman sir only said any information accountant will give. Heta wahid danne. So will I give any information? Will the accountant give any information? So you can go to the accountant and ask me, accountant. Me arage number ekutta karan denna bere. Ai magen ahanne Usman sir kiwa accounting kiyanne information denawa kiyala. Not information about anything. Information about an what puta? Entity monada? Entity. What is it? About an entity. Entity kiyanne mokadda sir? What is entity? It could be a person. Now I have my own accountant. Now mama salli hama karan tax gewanna onne. So I am the entity then, is it clear? Now my Learn Commerce is my website. Learn Commerce Private Limited, it's a private limited. So my business is an entity. IMS is an entity, is it clear? Today after class I am going to the accountant. IMS. Mangilla, Nangi. Debut. Will I ask that information from her? No. Will I ask, Mage Pantita Villa fees kochara kavad? Will she provide that or no? She will provide. Her duty is to provide what? Information of an entity for whom you know. For anyone who needs the information, we call puta. Munada kiyanne egolanta? Stakeholders. Ehemat nattang users of information. Egolan kawuda? They are the one who is going to use information. You think the other class sir will go and ask, Usman sir ke fees kiyad danne ne saldi kiyak awada? He won't ask those. Is it clear? Understood? Right, let's start again. If anyone asks what is accounting, what are you going to say? Like business studies, no? I start from very narrow and I'll expand the definition. Focus Buddha. Asami ganda. Again I'm saying Buddha. Ogala A-level karan don't reward the one another. Ohe A-level karan don't do. You should do A-level to get qualified for a state university. How much? And guys, nowadays this government is providing even foreign scholarship for good results. Api unad dena guys. How the results them again? Api good scholarship thino. Is it clear? So we have to try to reduce the burden for our parents. Is it clear? Kavagal taata kiwana koti tuna dawlanne mangawa thina kiwana ituro aatalle kara. Ehema naha ne. E manusya hamba karone api ne. So after A-level, we have to reduce what the dependency on them. No, for that higher education, you need a lot of money. If you get qualified in A-levels, number one university no Colombo Japura kiyanne apit එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. Minimum 35-40 lakhs you need. You all know, right? You can do. Understood? But anyone can do that, puta. But Colombo University anyone can do. Japura can anyone do. බෑනේ පුතා. ඒකට තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්න කියන්නේ. So spending 2 years, you can study. Just attending the class, oh hey karan bang. S pass ekat you can learn. A pass also you can learn. I will guide you all for what pass pute. A and a rank. Is it clear? Understood? And the purposefully gonna asami gonna ganda. Nattang oya epa vela wage innawa nan this is not the right class for you. Mama full support එක දෙන්න. So asami I know sometimes it's difficult. It's difficult but doable. පුළුවන් eh. So what is accounting everyone? Providing about whom? මොනා ගැනද? About a what pute? About a entity. What's an entity? It could be a business or individual or group of individual or organization. For whom? For whom? Stakeholders. Why? Because Puta, these stakeholders should make some important decisions. No? Now guys, you are coming to a bank. I am the bank manager. So you want a loan. I am asking. So for your business, right? How much properties do you have? What is the profit? You are saying, huh? Say me, what is your profit? Would I like to know or no? If you say only, I can make the decision whether to provide the loan or no. So who prepares those information, Puta? Who prepares those information? Accountant. So say me, what is accounting, everyone? Very simple. Learn in the most simple way, Buddha. If I can't teach you in simple way, mamat memorize pin parattama idala tiyenne. If I can't teach you in simple way, I also don't know properly, Buddha. Ne kaata hari dek, there are some friends know. I know, but I don't know how to say. They don't know properly, guys. So what is accounting, say me? All about providing, what Buddha? Information for whom? Stakeholders. Who are stakeholders? People who need the information. Will the bank need your information? Will government need information? Government will tax kiyan ඕනද නැද්ද? Now I am going to pay 5 rupees tax here. Government is saying, okay, thank you sir, 5 rupees tax. They will say, 5 රුපියල් 5ක් පිස්සුද? Show me your info. I need information. Information නෑ. ඔයා information හදන්න ඕනේ. මට දන්නේ නෑ. ඔයාට දන්නේ නැත්නම් කමන්න hire whom කුදේ? Hire an accountant, because his duty is to what pute? Prepare and provide what? Information. For whom? Stakeholders. Stakeholders, why they need the information? To make decisions, Puta. Is it clear, guys? That's why when I started, she said accounting is the process of providing information to stakeholders for decision making. Is it clear or no, guys? Is that clear? Right. I'm going to expand the definition, Balaganda Buddha. Accounting, they provide information, no. So Buddha, I can say, this what they prepare and provide. So I can say, Buddha, this is the output of accountants. Is it clear? Accountant, මේකනේ පුතා දෙන්නේ stakeholders ලට. They provide this information for people who need this information. So the output is what, Puta? Everyone knows if there is output, there should be what? Input. If there is output, there should be what, Puta? Input. Look, guys, you will become accountants. Balandhari, you are going to be accountants in a minute. In a minute, right? I bought 2 pieces of like timber wood. Danone wood ne? Hari? Lali kali deyak gattalo, right? 2 pieces of wood, right? Hari? For rupees 1,000. Same story I said for group 1. I hired a carpenter. He manufactured some chairs and I had to pay him like, okay, 500 rupees. I sold this chair in the market for 1,800. Understood? Profit or loss, you say me. Profit or loss. I spent 1,000 for the wood. I spent carpenter 500 to produce a chair using the wood, and I sold it for 1,800. Profit or loss? Profit or loss? Grade 5 maths, no? Grade 4 maths. Profit or loss? You are accountant. You gave me information. I asked you whether it's profit or loss. What did you say? Shah. Balandu moon all take accountants lage. Shah. Who are you? Adinda mang who are you gadi kaudu ogala? Mehema itanda puta. Have you ever seen an accounting paper? Here look. Calculate the gross profit. Calculate the net profit. Prepare the financial statement. In accounting exam, they are asking you what, Puta? They are asking you what? Information by giving you what? These are inputs, no? These are inputs. Output answer is how much, Puta? Output answer is how much? What was the output answer? 300. Assume, at that mean not done. Assume your friend is asking, hey, 300 කොහොමද බං මට තේරෙන්නේ. What will you think about him? තෝ පිස්සෙක් නේ බං. All understood now why 300 is profit? If your friend is saying, can't understand. What will you think? You spend 1,500. So look, 1,000 plus 500, 1,500, 1,008 minus 1,500 is how much? So account is nikkang evilla. Bring gala information you can't prepare. You have to do some, as he says, calculations. You should do. Good news for A level, you can use what pute? Calculate. Understood, guys? Okay. You can use a scientific calculator or you can use a normal Atlas calculator. Do not worry. You can't use a programmable calculator. Trust me, no one will ever buy. Why? Minimum price 40,000 rupees. So this is what calculator? Scientific calculator, right? Other than Depa, first chapter no need calculator. When you start the second chapter, after how many classes? After 4 classes, you will start second chapter. This is only 4 classes, maximum 5 classes. You will need the calculator. So Puta, this input is known as, in accounting, we call it as transactions and what? Events. So now say me everyone, what is accounting? Accounting, ing, teaching, ing, driving, ing. Any ing is a process, yes or no? A continuous process. Is it clear? Steps. I'll put into this way. Today is your first day, no? I'm going to make tea for you all. You all drink tea? You all drink tea? Tea banana? I'll make tea for you all. You all know how to make tea, girls? You all know? I'll teach. Step number 1. Correct me. Step number 1. It's a process. Am I correct, guys? Making tea. Harime. Gatta. Put the water into the kettle. Understood? Step number 1. Step number 2. Anyone? Very good. Put the tea leaves into the kettle. Step number 3. Yeah. Put the milk powder into the kettle. Step number 4. Add sugar to the kettle. Very good. Step number 5. You boil it. You take and you strain. Cup of tea. Is it tea or no? Tea. And you drink. Correct, no? It is tea. The process you prepare the tea is not correct. Uda, it is tea, but it is not a good tea. Is it clear? Do you all agree with me? Sometimes you go to your friend's place, Puta. Yage amma ena. Pute take a bonda Puta. You keep make a bonda baba. Friend's place, yeah, friend's place. Your friend is drinking. Oh, gala. Oh, yeah, the mom make a bonda baba. Hari anti nangala. Atul te gyam passe. Hari gera dala visit karla. Kohoma teka. Ondai, thank you. Even though it is tea, Puta, not the same taste. Is it clear? You are used to your parents' tea. Is it clear? Same, your friend can come to your house and decide that tea is not taste. Because same ingredient, process is different. So accounting is not just recording, Puta. Accounting is a process where you record transaction events systematically. In some classes, they will use words. Identify, recording, classifying, analyzing, interpreting, summarizing. One word is one. Now we'll say, Mage wife ehim mata te ekak hadala dunna kiyala. What will I say? Gihilla hariyata hadan enta. එයාට දැන් දන්නලු. යා ගිහිල්ලා කොහොමද හරියට හදන්නේ YouTube බලලා නැත්තම් ගෙදරට අම්මේ කියන්නේ ඔය පළට මොනවද කරන්න ඕනේ? හරි දැම්ම ඊට පස්සේ. So every output has a process. Is it clear? Step by process. Don't you think accounting has process then? Now everyone say me. Boys, you all came right now? No? You two answer. I bought wood for ₹1,000. Very simple. Don't worry. Buy and differ. I bought wood for ₹1,000. May I go to washroom? I bought wood for ₹1,000. I spent 500 for carpenter and manufactured a chair. What is the total cost? 1,500. I sold for 1,800. Profit or loss? Profit or loss? Profit. How much? They are accountants. Why they? Muna magulat the me accounting. I am accountant. Heta gihilla and the job gihilla. Actually, I came for job interview. Yes, what? Accountant. Now you know what is accounting? Providing information. So when you go and sit, you think it is simple as that. That means you have to learn step by step. What pute? Process. Who will teach you that? Mama. In A level only you learn the basic steps of what puthe? How to prepare quality information. There are two informations. One is that normality. Is it clear? Some tea guys okay. Sometimes oh samara shop wala gihilla. Ne bitra pyat ekka te ek buddhi. Gala enne guys okay. Superiority ekai yakina guys okay. Look. Likewise, people are different means their knowledge in that is different. No puthe. So what is accounting, everyone? Providing what? Say me. Providing what? Information. For whom? For whom? Stakeholders. Why that stakeholders need the information? Because their decision depends on what, Pute? Decision depends on what? That information. Is it clear? Now listen to this. Please. Now look, if I am giving notes in my accounting class and all guys, very simple. I can just read the notes. The thing is, after today's class, you will never forget. After another 30 years, if I meet you, accounting class first day. What is accounting? So say me guys, okay? Accounting is all about what do you record in accounting, say me? What do you record in accounting? What do you record? Transactions and events. How do you record? Don't know. You don't know how to record. Why you record? To provide information. Is it clear guys? Okay. So accounting is the process of recording what puthe? Transactions and, to be honest, no one knows what is the difference between these two. Am I correct? I'll say what is transaction and event. Am I correct guys? Okay. Harine, you should learn like that. Sir, kina mamat kina transaction is mokadda venasa? Done never. No. I'll say what is transaction. I'll say what is event. Okay. I purchased 1,000 rupees worth of material. Is there an exchange? Is there an exchange? Exchange means two parties giving and taking something. Is there an exchange? He gives me the material, I give him the... It's an exchange, no? Maybe it's case. Hi. Black t-shirt. Hi. Hi. Is it an exchange? Was it an exchange? Is it an exchange? But it is not a transaction. Why? Any exchange you can value in monetary term only transaction. Exchange or no? They exchange slaps between each other. Agree or no? But it is not a transaction. Why? Exchange a transaction a vendor puta, and exchange to become a transaction, that exchange should have what value? Monetary value. I purchased a t-shirt for 1,000 rupees. Is it an exchange? Is it an exchange? I purchased t-shirt for 1,000. Is it an exchange? Is it a transaction? Yes. My t-shirt is hanging on the rope or monahari rack. Is it a exchange? Is it a transaction? No. Why? It cannot be measured in monetary terms. Is it clear? We'll say guys, okay. I sold my phone for rupees 1,000. Transaction or no? My phone fell down, display cracked. I asked from the shopkeeper how much phone repairing. Well, 20,000. Is it an exchange when it fell down? I say, but I can record that as a value, as a loss, yes or no? So there is no exchange. It's not a transaction. It is what puthe? Event. For everyone to understand, let me explain. I sold stock means transaction. No? Flood davalu. Dipvamane puthe. Anna dipvavalu. Dipvage malli. Monamena koravalu. Davalu. Stock gahagena giyalu. Will I say the flood? Macha heta salli arangende. Ada gattane. That is, can you record in accounting? Destroy. Why? 50,000 stock gahagena giya. Can you record in accounting? 50,000 stock went with flood Buddha. Can you record? Destroyed. Can you write? Loss is 50,000. Yes or no? Is it a transaction? No. But can you record that? Event. Is it clear or no guys? Okay. Exchange ka nahi. But still you can record. What is it, Puta? Event. Now say me, I dropped the phone, Puta. It's a what? Transaction or event? It's an event. Why? I can say the loss in monetary terms. Is it clear? It is raining. Event or no? Sir is dancing. Event or no? Event. But you can't record in accounting. Why? You can't measure in monetary terms. Understood or no, guys? Okay. Understood? I am teaching and you are paying fee. Transaction or no? Transaction. Is it clear? He is sleeping in the class. Event. Can I record in accounting? Can't. Only the transactions and events that could be measured in monetary terms could be recorded as inputs in accounting. Understood or no, guys? Let's start again. Everyone. In my class, the first thing you should think about to understand. Whatever sir says, I should understand. Which means I can teach this to someone else. Is it clear? I'm out of syllabus. What is business? Sir, accounting, sir. What is business? You all forgot. What is business? Why? You all understood. So what is accounting? Will you forget? Still, I did not complete. We are still writing definition. Make our class then third page notes lesson analyzing, interpreting. What is accounting? The process of recording transactions and events step by step. I'll use one word, systematically, to provide what, Pute? Information for whom? Stakeholders. Why stakeholders need the information? To make decisions. What decision they'll make? I don't know. We are accountants. We are not managers. Do you know what decision they'll make? No. My duty is to give you what, Pute? So then, if I'm going to go for a job where I should make the decision, you are not the accountant. You are he's a CFO, Chief Financial Officer. You are the financial manager. Is it clear? You have to make decisions. Manager making. Accountant will not make decisions. Menna information. That is only accountant. Is it clear, guys? Okay? Understood? So say me, listen. Listen. The person who is next to you, is it your friend? During grade 1 to boru කියලා තිනේ අපේ ගෙදර ඩයිනෝසර් ආවංග හදවා එහෙමද likewise පුතා you can't just prepare information, it should be 100% accurate information. Is it clear? So don't think accounting is a simple job. Nikam me plus minus dala here. Easy. Let me just give you all a small example saying accounting means you have to learn systematically. There is a big process, right? So I'm going to take a small example, to be honest, from 2012 A-level batch. This 2020 8 A-level batch. I am using the same example. Hari, දැන් ඒ දෙන්නත් මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට් තමයි පිටිපස්සේ දෙන්න ඉන්නේ. ඒ දෙන්නත් මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට් තමයි. හරි. So එක්කෙනෙක් ඩිග්‍රියක් කරනවා අනිත් එක්කෙනා චාර්ටඩ් කරනවා. ඒ දෙන්නත් මට හෙල්ප් එකකට මෙතන ඉන්නවා. හරි. ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් දැන් එපා වෙලයි. එකම example එක අවුරුදු ගාණක් කියනවා. Guys, I am going to start a supermarket. What is it? Story, enjoy a story. That's all. I am going to start what with it? Supermarket. So I am going to hire, what's your name? Dia, as the accountant. She went only one day class and now she's coming to the class and saying, to the supermarket, record the transaction and events and give me information. Correct or no, guys? What is accounting? Recording. What is accounting? Recording transactions and events and providing. So in a supermarket, you know, after this example, you know what is accounting. So she records. In a supermarket, there are a lot of things. So look, rice. She's writing rice rupees 5,000 sold. Then again, broom. Supermarket. Next one, washing powder. Next one, chocolate. Next one, biscuit. Godak, she's writing. She is recording transactions and events. Is it clear, guys? Was she correct or incorrect? She did not miss anything. Correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Correct. Correct or no? Did she do any mistake? Correct. I'm coming. information. Who am I now? Who am I? Owner is also, owner is also what puthe? Stakeholder. I am asking from him, India, how much rice did we sell during the day? She is saying, Buddha kinder, rice, 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 rice. Ikman, yeah, Ikman what one? So Buddha kinder, Buddha, rice, yande leader, hariyanne. She recorded, but was not systematical enough to give me the information. I said, Lang. Then now she's been hired. What's your name? Nah, dia gila niha hariya, hari. Then balanda. She's asking Kola Dila, "Hey bang sir, why did sir send you out? Did you steal money? No bang. I recorded transactions. Sir only said accounting means what? Recording. Right? You will understand. Recording what? Transactions and events. Now she's recording. Look. Without recording like this, she's recording rice vikkanam me kolam meke, chocolate vikkanam me kolam meke, biscuit means here. Now she's selling rice. She writes here. Chocolate. Again rice. Chocolate. Biscuit. Then washing powder here. Now I'm asking, how much rice did we sell? She will say, 1 minute, sir. She also recorded who was systematical. That's why in accounting classes they say identify, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing. Why? Systematical. Now I'm asking, how much rice did we sell? What will she say? 50,000. I am happy as a stakeholder. Good. Now I'm asking, how much basmati rice? How much red rice? Oh, basmati. Soon. How much? Sir, put the basmati. Palaya. No, I'm hiring her. Listen, Buddha. What's your name? Ramla. Hari. I'm hiring her. And I'm asking from her. She calls her and asks, "Hey, bang sir, relewe." She said, "Ma record kara bang." I recorded better than her. Is it clear? Now she says, then why did sir send you? Mata basmati scene neka miss hunane. Now look at this. She records rice. Here look at rice. Basmati. Red rice. White raw rice. Now look at this. She takes, I'm asking from her, what is the rice total? Everything is she saying, so give me 1 minute. Total, add 50,000. Good or no? How much basmati? What will she say? Hari sir, basmati is this. Sir, 20,000. Good or no? She recorded. Who was systematical? Wait, story is not over. How much went for card? How much went for cash? So what is accounting, Buddha? Nikang record karanda be. You should be, why? You should give information. She is saying, "Ane sir, oh, anaman danne." Then I am going to him. What is your name, Buddha? Ashik. Harshan. I'm asking Harshan. He calls her and asks, "Hey sir, I did everything perfectly. Card do cash yamatakunane." Right, okay. Now what you know what is going to do, right? Okay. I'm going to quicken the story. What is it? Basmati get card cash. So now I ask from him, how much rice? 50,000. How much basmati? 20,000. How much card? 18,000. How much cash? 2,000. Good or bad? Kokada discount giye natte. Sir, my yannas. So accounting is not just recording transaction events. That's why in some classes or in some courses they will say not only recording, identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting. Steps just you can't record transaction events. Is it clear? So who is accountant, Semi? Who was the best accountant of all four? He was best, but he is not the best. He was better than them. Is it clear? Who will be the best person to give information? Accountant who has qualified in that area. For that you should do A-level accounting, then chartered accounting or a degree. Why accountants are paid high salary, you know? Not because they are qualified. The information they give decides even the owner's life. Is it clear? Example. I am your accountant, you start a business. I'm going to finish the explanation and go for the notes. I am your accountant, you start a business. January, I am saying the profit is 100,000. You are happy, right? February, 500,000. Why am I saying the profit? Who am I? Accountant. I am on the one who calculates. You are double happy. Is it clear? February, 600,000 profit. March, 800,000 profit. April, puta, suddenly 1 million loss. May, 2 million loss. June, again 1 million loss. July, 5 million loss. What will you do to your business? Again, 3 million loss. What will you do to your business? I need very honest answers. What will you do for your business? You will close the shop and go. Then I call you. I come in like, okay, hammer ekkenawala manga illa hari natham Prado ekkavilla man call adena. Hello me April Fool, make a profit mama hiluවක් කරේ. You just close the shop based on the information I give. So why am I paid a very high salary? Your life depends on the information I give. That's why accountants are paid high salary, not because you are... Okay, we'll say a person has he's a chartered accountant, has a financial degree, okay, financial related degree. He goes to a school and teaches grade 1 students. 1 + 1 is 2. And he says, these are my qualifications. Will they pay 5 lakh salary? A job ekata eka thamai salary. They will pay, your monthly salary is 20,000 or 10,000. He can't say, I am qualified. Yes, but this job's payment is only that much. Is it clear? So now say me, why accountants are paid a high salary? Say me guys. Why accountants are paid a high salary? Because of the information they give is so much worth. Is it clear? I'll stop. Kila kyanne stories ati. Say what is accounting, everyone. People who did O-level commerce did not do. Everyone is equal to me. Say what is accounting? It's a what process? Systematical process of recording what? Recording what? Information. Recording information. No. Recording what? Transaction events in order to provide what? Information for whom? Stakeholders. Enabling the stakeholders to make what? Decisions. Puta. Understood or no guys? Make it a memorize karan dunne. Now what is accounting? I forgot. No. Accounting kyanne maja information. Kaatad? Avashya kattiyata stakeholders. Right? Thevayana information. Right? Kohomada? Eka danne. Sir did not teach how to prepare. Have you all heard the word financial statement? Now I'm going to the accountant today after class and asking me, how much is my monthly fee? She's saying, sir, oyage fee ka mehemai. She has to give me in a paper, no? What do you call that statement? Financial information is provided in financial statement. Is it clear? In O-level, you have learned profit or loss statement, financial position. Those provide information, Puta. Is it clear? Shall you write the note then? Turn to page number 1, Puta. Turn to page number 1. Understood? Accounting. Yes, accounting. Climax ivara eddi. Accounting could be simply defined as the process of recording what Puta say me? What do you record in accounting? Mokadda record karanne information. Nana information තමයි හදන්නේ. We prepare information. You record what? If there is no input, guys, output is mango juice. What is the input? Say me. Output is mango juice. What is input? Apple. Nah. Apple in there. What is the input? Mango, water, sugar. What is input? So if there's output is information, you all know ICT, no? Information nang data ne bang input kya ne? Data, process, information. Right. So a data wage tamai mehe monat puthe transactions and events. So is the process of recording transactions and events. Recording transactions and events. Transactions and events. How puta? How? Kohomada. Now look, my wife only made that tea. Yeah? Now what did she do? Then I'm saying, go and prepare it properly. She is asking from me, properly kiyanne kohomada? Step by step process is there. Is it clear? So rather than saying the steps here, I'll use one word. What is it? Systematical. No? Transaction events. Systematically. 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 In order to provide, don't write the other words, in order to provide, you know what is the word? What is the word? Information, no. No, look, I'm going to change the note. Economic information. Economic information. If ChatGPT can do that, do you need accountant? You think can ChatGPT do what the accountant can? What do you all think? No. Right? It will do some calculation, but not highly systematic. Is it clear? There could be errors. Is it clear? They are saying our jobs will be like what you know, guys. Okay, replaced by AI. Guys. Okay. So if anything is free, puta, is if any information is free. For example, guys. Okay, you need an information which is available everywhere. Will you pay for that? Will you pay for any information which is freely available? No, right? So accountant denne puta nikang information neve, scarce information. It's very difficult to prepare that information. So he provides what information? We studied what is economic no in business studies class. What is economic resource? So what is that economic information? Because the information is so what pute valuable. Is it clear? If the information is not valuable, we don't use the word what information? Economic information, right? And it is also said in what terms? Monetary terms. So I explained you all as information. In the note I mentioned as what? Economic. Now I am saying why economic? Why? That information is so scarce. Everyone can't prepare. Only who can do that? Accountant. So what is it? Providing economic information. To whom? To stakeholders. To stakeholders. To stakeholders. Enabling them to, you know what is enabling, no? Making them able. Enabling them to make appropriate decisions. Okay. Right. So everyone say me, what is meant by accounting? Everyone answer? Don't memorize. You are memorizing means mamma don't come to my class. Now normally guys, when our class is at the end of the syllabus or like almost 3-4 months, crowd last moment guys. It's very difficult to help them. Why? They don't know basics. Is it clear? Now some are saying no masa tuneng godadagan plan. Then I can start 3 months A-level accounting class. It's very difficult. It takes time to process. Is it clear? If I teach you 24 hours, will you understand? No. 2 hours I teach, have homework, you go home, you revise. It takes time to process. Puta. Every day 1 hour he's going to the gym. After like 6 months, another person, for 6 days, 6 into 24, how much? 120, 144 hours in the gym. 144 hours, gym. Who has the best body, guys? Okay. That consistency. It takes time to process. Anything is not quick. Natham we can do A level in 6 months, no guys. Business. This is also what Pute? Business. 6 months crash course. Samaharkate 1 month full syllabus covering kino. First again 1 month, every month you could have completed the syllabus, no guys. It takes time to process. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Your brain is, some of your friends are there, without doing A level, they had started their degree. Am I correct or no? Or mama gihinla ICB take a degree akarna. I mean, not Puda, their brain is not function unless they are like multi or a patta talented window. Your brain is not function to do. Can I teach my son who is in grade 4 Buddha accounting? I am an accountant, sir. Can I teach him grade 4? Sit. You do your A levels in grade 6. Here, I'll teach you 24. ඔලුවට එච්චර තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ඔලුවට O level accounting තේරුණා. A level account දැන් තමයි step by step. Once you are in like 3, 4, 5 months, your brain is totally different. You all have your grade 9 photos. Grade 9 photos තියනවද? Grade 10 photos, 9 photos. Selfie ගැහුවේ ලස්සනයි කියලා හිතාගෙන. දැන් බලද්දි චී. ඒ වෙලාවේ හිතුන්නේ නැහනේ පුතා. චී කියලා. එහෙම තමයි පුතා. No, you never thought no it's ugly. No, you thought post it kara. හැමතැනම නේ. FB දැම්ම මෙහෙම කරලා යාළුවොත් එක්ක මෙහෙම දාලා. දැන් බලද්දි පොඩ්ඩක් හැබැයි සමහර සෙට් එකක් ඉන්නවා පුතේ. A level කාලෙදිත් matured වෙන්නේ නැහැ. තාම O level වගේ පිස්සු කියලා කට්ටියක් ඉඳේ. So you get transformed. ඒක වෙනවා. A level is the until O level everyone did all the subjects පුතා. Is it clear? A level only decide. Can you become doctors now? I want to be a doctor. Bad doctor, bad conductor. Doctor, okay, right, okay. So likewise, right? So everyone always understand in my class. What is accounting? For one last time, don't look at the tute. One last time, what is accounting? It's a process of providing information. To provide, you should record what? Transactions and events. How? We don't know, sir. How we don't know? There is a process, step by step. So, providing information for whom, Buddha? Stakeholders. Why stakeholders need the information? They need to make important decisions. Is it clear? Example, government should decide the tax amount. Banker should decide whether loan should be given or no. Owner will decide, will I continue the business or no, guys? If the accountant is saying, so we are class again, you are making a loss. Will I continue teaching? No, I will make decisions. Is it clear? Understood? Right. So never memorize the note, right? So then Buddha, right? What is meant by accounting entity, Semi? I said to you what is, I didn't use the word entity there, but what is accounting entity? What is accounting entity? Accountant will prepare information about a person or an organization? No. That is known as accounting entity. So within bracket, you all have 2 lines. You all have 2 lines. Lines දෙකක් තියෙනවද? bracket එකේ ලියා ගන්න පුතා. bracket එකේ ලියා ගන්න. Okay. The accountant would prepare the information the accountant would prepare information with related to what would they? An accounting entity. An accounting entity. So what is entity, guys? Okay, it could be a person, no, with related to an accounting entity. So what is entity? It could be a have you heard the word business entity? A business eකට. If my accountant is preparing information about my class fees, expenses, tute expenses, I am the entity. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Understood? No? Right. Now, do not read the next two definition. Don't read. That is given in your syllabus guide. I have copied and pasted and given. Okay. They won't ask you that in the exam. But we will read that to understand. But not now. Look at the next heading, guys. Look at the next heading. What is the next heading, guys? So, good news is, Samahara classes තියෙනවා පුතා first tute එක තියෙනවනේ. එහෙම මොකුත් නැහැ. මෙච්චරක් දෙනවා first tute එක. සමහර ළමයි යන්නේ එහෙමනේ. මේ සර්ගේ notes කොටයි මෙයා හොඳයි. එහෙම නෙවෙයි. First chapter is just the basics. Is it clear? After reading this, if you go to school and you can understand means this class is bad. Is it clear? First chapter is only 4 or 5. සමහර කට්ටිය first unit එක they do for 2-3 months. Why? When the second batch comes, connect කරන්න ඕනේ guys. Okay. Have to connect no? මම එහෙම කරන්නේ නැහැ. This is a permanent batch. Sunday class is a permanent batch. Okay. මම ඕගොල්ලෝ දෙන්නව එකතු කරන්නේ කවද්ද දන්නවද? When we are doing the papers. Is it clear? Papers කරද්දී අන්තිමට not now after the 2 years, right? Okay. So therefore this is separate batch. I am saying your chapter number 1 has only 5 headings, Buddha. Chapter number 1 only how many headings? 5 headings. Successfully you completed 1 heading. What is it you know? Definition. So only, not 5, sorry, 6 headings. What is the next headings? You should learn what is accounting process. In this calculation is done in chapter 4, Puta. So what is chapter 4, say everyone? What is chapter 4 in A-level accounting? Accounting process calculation. Here we are learning the theory. What is accounting process? Whatever you do to prepare what, Pute? The information. I am giving you the input, no, Puta? Transactional events. You should do something no, here. What did you do? You added 1,500. Understood? And then you minus this 1,500 from 1,800. What you did is known as accounting process. So look at the next heading, guys. Okay. What is it? Accounting process. So in that, what comes under input, say me? What comes under input in this process? What comes under input? Everyone say me? What is input in accounting? Write down there. Look here. Transactions and events. Write down. Transactions and events. Transactions and events. So what are the inputs? Transactions and. So some students still might have a doubt like that. I'm thinking like them. I always think students' point of view. Transaction kiyanne mokadda? What is transaction? An exchange takes place and it can be measured in what, Pute? Monetary terms. Now look at this. මම මේ water bottle එක සල්ලි දීලා ගත්තා. Is it an exchange first of all? Exchange කියලා කියන්නේ හුවමාරු. Two people giving and taking something. Was it an exchange? I bought this from Odell Mall කියලා ගන්නකො guys. Sorry. නැත්නම් supermarket එකක දාන්න. Was it an exchange? Yes. මෙතන ගහලා තියෙන 160 rupees. Was it a transaction? Yes. So accountant can record that. Yes. Is it clear? දැන් මේක තිබ්බලු just brand new මෙතනට වතුර තිබ්බලු මම class එකේ තිබ්බලු next minute බෝතලෙත් නැල්ලු මෙයත් නැල්ලු bag එකත් නැල්ලු. So what do we assume actually? She could have stolen and put in her bag and she could have run home. We don't know. But what will assume? බලන්නකො මං කියනවා බලන්නකො බෝතලේ අරගෙන හොරකම් කරලා ගිහිල්ලානේ. Will my accountant record that? Was it a transaction or exchange? What was it, a transaction or an event? Event. I did not exchange or anything with her, but it's you can record that. We call it as what, Pute? Event. Understand? No? Stock destroyed is transaction or event? Stock destroyed due to fire. Transaction or event? Event. It is raining. Event in accounting it is not event. Why? You can't measure in. It is raining for 50 rupees. It is event, but in accounting it is not an event. මම මෙතනින් නම් මෙතනට jump එකක් දාන්න යනවා. හරි? Event ඕනෝ. From here to that discount හරි? Event ඕනෝ. පැන්න මොකුත් උන්නේ නැහැ. Event in accounting you can't record. I jumped මූණ පුරා ලේලු බං. හරි? වැටිලා. I fell down and the doctor is saying රුපියල් 1500ක් දෙන්න doctor fee. That one you can record. Even that could be measured in what පුතේ? Monetary terms. Good news in exam they won't ask what is transaction, what is even එහෙම අහන්නේ. Understood guys? Okay? Understood or no? So now read the note I have given for transaction and event. Read. Transactions can be identified as an exchange of resources between a business and other parties. However, in the business point of view, only transactions which their amounts can be measured in terms of money are considered in accounting. Understood or no guys? Okay? Clear guys? Okay? Right? Okay. So you all right there with the example. Purchased rupees 10,000 worth of stocks. Purchased rupees 10,000 worth of stocks. Stocks means goods, right? Or whatever we sell in the business. Purchased rupees 10,000 worth of stocks. So for the stationery shop, what is the stock? Stationery. For a fruit stall, what is the stock, Pute? Fruits. Is it clear? Stock, right? Another example, paid rent rupees 30,000. Paid rent rupees 30,000. Paid rent rupees 30,000. I have a small doubt. For whom does the accountant prepare information? බලන්න තු කියන්න බලන්න මෙහෙ බලලා කියන්න. For whom? About whom? About whom? For whom? Stakeholders. About? For whom you provide information? Stakeholders. About whom that information is? I used a term today. Entity. Accounting. So accounting entity means what? It could be a business. Sometimes your mother is preparing your house accounts. Is it clear or no? මෙච්චරක් සල්ලි ආවා, class fees මෙච්චරයි, මේක. So she is prepared about your household. No, that is what පුතේ? Entity. Understand no? කා ගැනද හදන්නේ? යාර පත්ති saying right okay is known as what පුතේ? Accounting entity. Understand no, guys? For whom you are giving the information is stakeholders. Is it clear guys? Okay. What do we provide? Information. Why I said economic information? Information is scarce. It is in monetary terms where everyone can't prepare that. Now here what are we learning? The process. Input is what? Transactions and events. Understood what is transactions? Can you explain to your friend in Sinhala or Tamil what is transactions? Can explain or no? Not in English, in Sinhala Tamil, yes. You should understand, right? Okay. So read what is event, Putana. Read what is event. Read what is event. Accounting events are only those events that can be measurable in monetary terms despite an exchange of resource takes place or not. Exchange unat or natak. Analu millatium. Whether an exchange took place or did not take place, if you can measure that in monetary terms, it is known as what, Pute? It is known as I sold my phone is an transaction. I dropped my phone, so it's a loss. Kuduna phone wahanak. It is about event. Why can I write in accounting? You can measure in monetary terms. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So I'll write down example. Rupees 10,000 worth of stock. Destroyed due to fire. Rupees 10,000 worth of stock destroyed due to fire, right? Next one. Guys, my phone is a 15 Pro Max phone. Man දැන් අරන් අවුරුදු 1යි මාස ගාණක් වෙනවා. හරි. This is worth 500,000. 512 GB. This is Laksha Pahai. Am I saying the truth or am I lying? Boys? Truth or am I lying? Is this worth 500,000? දැන් වටින්නේ මම ගද්දී actually I got bought it for how much පුතේ 500. Now it is how much 200,000 or something. What has happened to the value? Gone down. What do you call in accounting? In Sinhala they say ෂය වෙනවා. In accounting in English they say depreciation. What is it පුතා? So is it a transaction or event? දැන් මේ phone එක මම ගද්දී ලක්ෂ 5යි. දැන් වටිනාකම ලක්ෂ 3යි. When I was purchasing it was 5 lakhs. Now it is how much? 2 lakhs. What has happened to the value? Gone down, no? Is it a transaction or an event? It's an event. I did not do any exchange, but the value has gone down. Can you record that in accounting as a loss? Yes, depreciated. Is it clear? So write down Buddha. Depreciation of I'll just write simple word as machinery. Okay? Depreciation of machinery. So even though I did not write a amount there, it is going to be set in amounts. Is it clear, guys? Understood or no? බොරුවට ඔව් කියන්නේ බොරුවට guys, your generation is there no end. I am seeing a lot of students no guys end ළමයි මෙහෙම. Understood? Yes. තේරුන්නේ හැබැයි? Yes. Okay no? Yes. Don't be that students පුතා. දන්නේ නැත්තම් දන්නේ නැහැ කියන්න. Understood guys? Okay. When you don't understand, ඒකට කියලා නිකන් මෙහෙම කියන්න බෑ. No, did not understand. If you don't understand, sir, I can't understand. Please explain. I will do that. Okay? 10 times, 100 times, no problem. Just don't come and copy the notes and go home. Can you all say what is business? Business? Yes. What is accounting? You all can you all say? Right. Okay. What is the accounting process? Say me. What is input? Everyone. Say what is input? Everyone. What is input? Transactions and events. What is the process? So we don't know. Is it clear? So look, I have given some words. Look at the words, Puta. Identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and what is the last word? Last word you can understand. What is the process? Step in the process of the kadesi step. What is the last step in this process? What is it? Providing what? Communicating. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Last word you can understand. First word and second word also you can understand. What is the first word? Identify. How many of you travel by bus today? Bus. Proof. Selfie with the conductor. Yeah. Is it the proof? What's the proof? They travel by bus. What's the proof? They identified using those source documents. But ඔය වචන ටික දැන් කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Some schools or some classes, first day itself there is a source document, prime entry book, ledger, trial balance. No. Your brain is now only adapting. මොන මොනවදෝ තියෙනවා, we don't know. But identify means without confirming they will not record. Next day you come to the class and say like this. Give me the receipt. I'll pay you during the interval. She will say, okay, Manli. They will say, Gebbala receipt ganda. Because whether you pay or no, how will they confirm? Say me. Now I'm saying, I think I posted another recording in your 28 A-level channel because group 1 is there. If you miss a class, Puta, due to some important reason, if you miss a class, not you bunk the class, okay? Hari, I will provide recording of that day. Is it clear? I have provided school events, I'll provide. So then you have to upload the IMS. You don't want to pay extra. You have to upload what? Put the IMS receipt in the website. Can you say, I don't have the receipt? Will my admin believe that? Proof on it. Accountant will never record without what? Put the proof. That is identifying. Recording means should record no. Last word is what? Put the last word. What do you communicate, Buddha? Say me. Output. What is the output? What is the word? What do you communicate? Monad denni. Information. So for output, you all write down. Output, you all write down. Information. Within bracket, you write financial and non-financial. Then take your pencil and write mainly what information? Financial. Right. I am asking from the accountant today, Buddha. While you are writing that, listen to me. After class, I am going to the counter. I am going to the accountant asking, how much fees did I receive today? Do you remember? I had business studies of 27, group 2, yes, group 1, and accounting. Then I had your class. Tomorrow I'll be having the group 2 of both the classes, 28 and 27. After that, I'll go to the accountant and ask you my money. Correct, no, guys? Look at the question I'm asking from her. Nangi, sanipeng innawada. She will say, oh. But is it related to accounting? No. I'll ask, look at this, Buddha. How much money is collected from my class? Will she give me the answer? Financial information or non-financial information? I'll make a decision. Sometimes I have a doubt. I'll ask, how many students paid? Will she say, danni naha sir? Will she give me or will she say, danni naha? Is it financial? Will say 50 students. Is 50 students financial? It's numerical, but it is not financial. So financial as well as non-financial information. Is it clear or no, guys? Okay. Understood or no, guys? So say accountant will provide what information? Financial as well as non-financial. Mainly what information? Mainly financial. Is it clear or no, guys? Successfully you know what is meant by accounting and what is the accounting process. Process you have a problem. You don't understand that. Is it clear? Chapter 4 is what, Putha? Say me, what is chapter 4? Chapter 4 heading is what? Accounting. Only during your first chapter, 1, 2, 4 classes, I will shout like this. Ask from, you have friends in group 2? Girls, you all have friends, no? Ask from them, what are they doing? It's every time teaching and you're writing notes. We don't write notes in chapter 2. It's all taking the calculator. I'm saying, calculate the profit. Accountants. Who are you, Buddha? Who are you? Accountants. What is your duty? Providing information. For whom? Stakeholders. Why stakeholders need information? To make decisions. How can you provide information? What do you need as input? To make mango juice, you need mango. To make information, you need what, Putte? Transactions and events. Is it clear? How to do the information? We don't know. Understood or no, guys? Look at the next heading now. Turn to the next heading. What is it, Buddha? Types of accounting. Before that, let's all turn to page number 11. Let's all turn to page number 11. From page 11 onwards, these are not my questions. These are extracted from past papers. Not my questions. Mage prashna neve. Everyone may opening karadi superior open karandone. First question, read and understand. In accounting, you don't underline the answers. You write the answers in this bracket given. In A level, you don't underline. Ara hemakut karanne. Koyda liyane uttare. Menna me bracket එකේ උත්තර number එක ලියනවා. First one, everyone in this class will answer, පුතා. Read. Done. Read. It might be confusing. Read and go for the best answer. Look, day one itself, no matter whether you did O level commerce or you did not do, no problem. Understood? Understood? What was the answer, guys? If you had understood the question, what is the primary accounting? Basically, why accounting karanne? Nang e accounting say why we do accounting? Record all transfer. That's the objective. Just to record. Just to record. No, here even in this story she recorded, but she was unable to provide me what pute. She recorded, no? Remember story, Rice and all? Record, but they were unable to provide what? Information. So objective is what pute? Providing information. Is there an answer like that, Puta? Record, categorize, summarize. Those are the steps. Is it clear? Those are the steps. That is not the objective. Third one. Provide financial information. Is only financial information correct? Non-financial also can, okay? But that is okay answer. I never said third one is answer. Third one is fine. No, not the best. Fine, shape. Fourth one. Owners are only one stakeholder. Is it clear? You can give to owner, manager, you can give to the bank also. Fourth one wrong. Fifth one, provide with detailed analysis of cost to managers. A detailed evaluation. What labor cost, material cost. But what is the best answer out of the given answer? Third one. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Understood, right? Okay. Right. Question number 8. Question number 8. You will make a mistake, but no problem. If you can answer means perfect. If you make a mistake, no problem, because you should learn types of accounting, heading number 3. Question number 8. Which of the following statement best describes? Best kyanne mokadda puthe? There can be 2-3 answers. You go for the which answer? Best answer. Read, take your time. This is your day 1, no problem. There is one very good answer. Best answer, no? Answered. Best uttarak තියෙනවා හිතන්නේ. I'll give you a technique. Always see the word providing or communicating, no? Or giving. Giving කියන්නේ නැහැ A level accounting වල. Giving information කියන්නේ නැහැ. Still correct, no? See, is there a word called providing or communicating? Is there a word like that? There. First one, second one, third one. First one, second one, third one is not the objective. So, fourth one or fifth one? Fifth one is also not wrong. But best answer is stakeholders include the manager also, no guys? So, what is the best answer with it? Fourth one. Understood? How many of you marked fourth one? Right. Raise your hands, people who did not do O-level commerce. Raise your hands. O-level commerce kare naha sir. Commerce kare naha. Therunada. Did you all understand? Others then should understand. Is it clear? So if you have any mother parents call karna, sir, my son wants to do A-level commerce. I said okay, but there's a small problem. What? He did not do O-level commerce. I am not only me puta. Any sir will teach you from very mama vitaran neve. Kauruna teach kare mother from very basics. So some students do this. Smarter sir kinega therenne, and they blame on them. Mama commerce kare naha e handa basics mata naha. Naha bang, you come for A level from very basics we teach you. Is it clear? Understood? And you learn A level perfectly than O level. O level commerce is charter. Hurry? Right, okay. Next one, guys, okay. Next one. Go for the third heading. So you finish 2 headings, out of 6 headings, you finish 2 headings. Second heading puta, you only know the elements in the process. Input means what? Output means what? Process has certain words. I know 2 words: identifying, recording, and communicating. There is some words called classifying and all. Ledger, counts are there. Trial balance, you learn later. Go for the next heading, guys. What is it? Types of accounting. How many of y'all heard SIMA? SIMA කියන්නේ SIMA නේ. ACCA. අක්කා කියනවා නැත්නම් ACCA කියනවා. අක්කා නෙවෙයි. You all know UK professional qualifications? You all know, right? ලංකාවේ තියෙන මොකද්ද? Chartered Accounting of Sri Lanka තියෙන්නේ. දන්නවනේ CA තියෙන්නේ CA. In Sri Lanka we say CA. We have SIMA, we have ACCA. Hari? Listen. Difference between these two is what? No. This is chartered accountant. This is management accountant. What is the difference? Association of Certified Chartered Accountant. This Certified Institute of Management Accountancy. So there are 2 types of accounting. What is it? One is financial accounting. Other one is ඔලුවට බර වැඩිද? නෑනේ. Can understand, no? Can, no? බරද නෑ? කොණ්ඩේ කැපුවා නම් හරි. නෑනේ. හරිය. නෑනේ. ආයෙ නම් ඔලන්නේ. So same guys. Management accounting and financial accounting, the difference is very simple. Listen. Does your family means you, your parents, your siblings, not auntie, uncle. Hari? Your family, I'm talking about whom, Buddha? Not friends and family. No. Family. Who? You, your parents and siblings. Do you all have any secret that no one knows? It could be regarding your friend, family, or regarding someone. You all have secrets. It's only between us. Yes or no? I won't ask, don't worry. Yes, no? Yes. But see, one secret is known to the entire village. Will your family know? Logic kitanda. About you, one secret, entire village knows. Will your family know? It's not a secret anymore. If entire village knows, we don't call it as secret. Entire village knows means family knows or no? They know. Certain things only your family would know, others will not know. Likewise, Putta, if the accountant provide information to the manager only, ඇතුලේ විතරයි. What accounting? Management accounting. If I provide and everyone can get that information, what accounting? What accounting? Financial accounting. For example, I'll ask questions from. What's your name? Ahmad. Akmal, where are you from? Gampala. School? ගෙදර කට්ටියකව සල්ලි තියනවද? ඇඳයට හංගලා සල්ලි තියනවද? You have a girlfriend? No, Lu. Have. What's her name? Sometimes you might think, Sir, you he will say his name, age, where is he from. He did not answer. He never answered. He just thought, some information is not for everyone. Now I'm asking I'll ask from yes, girls, okay? What's your name? Can I ask or no? In this class, should I ask what's your name? Yes. Where are you from? What's your favorite color? Huh? You all understood, no? Certain information is not for everyone. Is it clear, guys? Can I ask what's your favorite color? What a kanda monada kamathi kiyanda. I will not ask, guys. I am asking what's your name? Kiyanda besa. What's your name? Sometimes some students message me, Hari, so I am one of your students. I ask, who? No, sir, one of the students. Who, ba? One of the students. Don't you think I have a right to know who are you? Sometimes if you had messaged me, I would have asked, no, your name and your school name, I want to know. Is it clear? I have the right. You will not say. So say me, what is financial accounting? What is management accounting? Say me. If the information is available only for managers, internal stakeholder. Management කියන්නේ මොකද පුතා? ඇතුළේනේ. What stakeholder? Internal stakeholder. What accounting? Management accounting. If the information available for outsiders where anyone can access, what is that puthe? That means if you publish in the internet, is it internal? It is what puthe then? External. What accounting? Financial accounting. Is it clear or no, guys? Okay. Understood or no? Can I check right now how much did Ceylon Bank make profit? Can I check right now how much did Ceylon Bank make profit? Can or can't? Say me. You what done? You don't know the answer. Just guess. Can or can't? Some people are saying can. Some might say can't. Puta, I am earning by doing classes. No. I have another earning source. I invest in share market. What I do with the මම එහෙනම් companies වල සල්ලි දාද්දි ඉන්කි පින්කි පොන්කි father is a donkey එහෙම දන්නේ. I need that information. Is it clear? I will see. Ceylon Bank, if I want to invest in their shares, how much profit? You all know there's something called Heller Clothing. Heller Clothing කියලා අහලා තිනවද? I also invested පට්ට loss වුණා. Now it is suspended in market. It's not there in the share market. නවත්තලා තියෙන්නේ බෑ. So when I invest, should I want to know their information? How much property, how much liabilities, how much asset? Should I need or no? So that is what accounting? Financial or management accounting? Finance. Can I go and see what is the cost of producing a product of them? Will they give me public cost of producing one thing? Now I'll ask from Damro, make a price එක කීයද? Cost එක කීයද? Will they say? Sorry sir, කියන්න බෑ. That is what information, not financial. It is what? It is not for financial accounting. It is for what accounting? Management accounting. Understood or no, guys? Clear or no? Once again. Everyone in the class, eh? Again, don't think accounting class is always sir is giving notes, you should write. It's calculation, only chapter 1. But the thing is, there's a small problem. Without chapter number 1, 6th lesson, you will not. Now there are some students joining my Sunday class. What I do, I say them, Puta, watch the recording and come. If not, join the Saturday class. Why? Without this, you won't understand any calculation. There are 5 words: asset, liability, equity, income, expense. And in O level, you learn asset refers to resources which are controlled by the business, which is created due to past transactions. Memorizing hariyanne meaning tamai. Okay. So first one and second one is okay. I'll again reassure that you are perfect. Everyone with me say, what is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording transactions and events. About whom? Answer my questions. About whom? An accounting entity. And they provide what, Pute? They record and they prepare and provide what? Record, prepare and provide what? What is the output? Informations are financial or non-financial or both? Both. Right, okay? For whom is that information? Stakeholders. Is it clear, guys? Okay? Why stakeholders need the information? What decision? We don't know. We are not going to make decisions. We are going to only provide information. How many types of stakeholders you know right now? Internal and? If the information is given to internal, manager mainly, that is what accounting? Management. If the information is available to everyone, so manager also can have. Anyone can have. මං කියවනේ ගමටම දන්නව නම් ගෙදරටත් දන්නවා. Now you will understand why I said that example. If a secret is known to the entire village, your house also knows. Certain things only your house knows, others don't know. Is it clear? Understood or no, guys? Management accounting and financial accounting. So look at the note, Puda. Right. Next class, what are we going to do, Next class is only first class, obviously. But I will not repeat this. This recording I'll provide in the group also, right? So I said how to join the group. I said, if there are students who join only for accounting class, Pute, listen. You can see a QR code in the tute as well as in the file, okay? That is the channel. That is not the group. That is the channel, Puta. That channel is what you know. That is, I will provide insights, information regarding A levels, not always. කරදර කරන්න බය වෙන්න එපා. ඒක channel follow කරන්න. හරි, listen. Today at 9 o'clock, at 9 p.m. So you have to follow before 9. Why? I will drop a link. හොඳට අහගන්න. That is the community link පුතා. That is the WhatsApp 2028 මේකේ මගේ කවුද දාන්නේ පුතා? Accounting, IMS, Sunday group accounting business studies, Matale accounting business කියලා තියෙනවා, අකුරණ තියෙනවා, online කියලා තියෙනවා. And now I'll be creating a new group, Saturday IMS group 2, accounting business. Join the community. Right? මේකට නිකන් log වෙන්න බෑ. You have to click access. You have to request access. I will confirm who is that student. නැත්තම් ඕනම in that community පුතා sometimes outsiders are there. සමහර සර්ලාත් ඉන්නවා ඇති. ඇයි? ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ information ගන්න ඉතින් message කරයි. එන්න අපේ පන්තියට අපි හොඳයි කිය. එහෙම කියන එකක් තියෙනවා. So I don't මේක නේ එහෙම කියනවා. තව කියද්දි එන්න කිය. එන්න මේ එහෙපා මෙහෙ එන්න කිය. එහෙම කියන එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි? හැබැයි ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න අවුලන්නේ. මම පට්ට කොන්ෆිඩන්ස් පිට කියන්නේ රයිට් ඕකේ. ආතල් දෙනවා නම් සමහර කෙනෙක් අපි ඇවිල්ලා මේ ෆැමිලියක් මේක ඇවිල්ලා ක්ලාස් එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඒක කියන්න ෆැමිලි නම් ෆ්‍රී එකට ගන්නපන්කෝ ගයි. එහෙම කියයි. ට්‍රිප් එකක් යන කතා කියයි. ආතල් දෙයි. ආතල් දෙයි. But you think what is important? I am saying you make your decision. You click I will add you not today. After 2-3 weeks I'll know this student is this number. She is coming to my class. I will add. නැත්තම් පිටස්තර කට්ටියත් මොනවද ඉන්නේ group එකේ ඉන්නේ කමෙන්ට් එකේ හිටියට අවුලන්නේ ආතල්යක් ගත්ත දෙන් no one can know the numbers no once you go to the group you know the numbers and all message කරන්න එපා hi you don't know me but I know you ඔයා hina වෙලා ඉන්න ලස්සන එතකොට ඒව කරන්න බෑ හරි right brother so thank you all for coming today right හරි I hope you all understood නේ understood ne right I hope right understood ne hope ne මන් දන්නවා නිකන් බොරුවට අහන්නේ right I'll meet you all when පුතා then next week. If anyone finds this time is not convenient, you can join the Sunday group. Is it clear? Then to cover, you can join this group also, or you can watch the recording by dropping me a message. Right? Okay. Hari Buddha, right? Etakota, all the best. Hope to see you all next week. Nas ada nikang ave. Come on, ne? Hari Buddha, right? Okay. If there's anything you all want to know, listen, Buddha. O level results, ogalange.